How's it going, people? Welcome back to another trade recap. Today we ended up getting stopped out at break even. It did end up going and hitting our take profit after we got stopped out at break even, but it's all fine. Followed my strategy, everything went well. Could have took profit earlier, probably at like this low, but I just targeted equilibrium. But anyways, yeah, let's just get into it. So my bias was bullish for the day. I wanted to sweep out all these highs, which it did end up sweeping it. As you can see, it did go all the way up there. Yeah, so on the 4 hour, the 4 hour was in an uptrend, filled in equilibrium, it was moving up, so my bias was bullish up until those highs. So once those highs get swept, my bias switches to bearish. So as you can see, the 1 hour inverse this fair value gap and ended up sweeping out those highs. So now I can look to take shorts. So my take profit target was 1 hour equilibrium, and I think also 4 hour equilibrium as well. But yeah, so swept out highs. What I was thinking was because my bias was bullish, if it like made like a low here and then started going up to the liquidity points, then that's when I would have took a long, but it didn't. It just fully shot up. It's called swept out all the highs that I wanted it to sweep. Broke structure to the downside, made this fair value gap, filled it in, gone to the 1 minute, and what do we have? On the 1 minute, it broke structure to the downside here, so that's where I entered. I put my stop loss above this candle here, because this candle was too high up, so I was like, nah, fuck it. Normally, I don't put it below the first 1 minute low, so I just wanted to be a bit more safe and go up there, which was actually a good idea. I still wouldn't have got stopped out even if it was down there, but sometimes a broker, like, or what's it called, like commission and stuff, like sometimes it stops you out early, sometimes it stops you out late. But yeah, so when I took that trade, price went up and then started coming back down. Now once it came to this where is it, 5 minute low here, here, once it came to the 5 minute low, I ended up going break even. It started moving down. I was like, alright, cool. It looks like it's gonna hit our take profit, but it decided to go back up, stop me out at break even, and then come down, which is fine. Like I said, still, because after I made my stop loss to break even, I don't need to touch anything. It's a risk-free trade. Like, I'm not gonna lose anything, even if I don't win anything. At the end of the day, like, if you're not losing, then it's fine. So yeah, yesterday I actually had a really good entry, which I didn't take. I think, yeah. Let me just show you guys that as well quickly. I jammed. I should have took it, but yeah, I pressed sell as well, but I ended up closing it straight away. I don't know why as well. So yeah, it swept out session highs and then it broke shots to the downside, and then here you go, filled in 5 minute equilibrium, going to the 1 minute, filled in 5 minute equilibrium, inverse this fair value gap. Nah, there is more fair value. Is there? Nah, there isn't. Alright, cool. So inverse this fair value gap. I would have entered here, and then probably what gone. I would have either target there or gone break even there, and I would have probably targeted session lows, which is what, which is there. So yeah, it would have basically hit a 1 to 5, but I don't know why I got scared as well. It's literally, I'm telling myself from now on. I know it's like my first funded, but second funded, but I'm a thing, man. I'm just gonna take trades. I don't care if I get stopped out no matter what. Because it's my second funded, that's what I still need to get used to it a bit, trading with the real money, but it's the same shit, man. I just need to think. Back testing, everything's fine. Like demo was fine as well. I just need to apply that. But it's the thing, when you start trading with real money, it is what it is. Now the thing is, if I didn't move this to break even and let it run, it would have ended up hitting full TP. But me moving it to break even at that point is like something that I've just come up with from backtesting. Like, it makes so much sense to me. Like, if I start doing it so I don't move it to break even, it's gonna benefit me less than if I did. I know it would have benefited me, but like I said, just because it happens once doesn't mean it's always gonna happen. It could do that and then reverse and fucking stop you out. But yeah, that's all I have for today. Today was a good day. Followed the strategy perfectly. I think I was up like around almost at 1.5%, around that lowest point that I got to before it stopped me out, but I didn't end up closing. But yeah, I think that's it for today. I'll see you guys next time I trade.